Hi there friends and fellow engineers, my name is Petar and in today's unboxing video I wanted to present you our starter compact development board we made in collab with our partner Renesas. It's called RA4M1 clicker board. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Let's see what's inside this box. We have a clickboard catalog, we have RA4M1 clicker and some pins. So if we talk about RA4M1 clicker, it's a recognizable clicker design. That means it's a small development board with one microbus socket. The key features of the MCUs are 32-bit ARM Cortex-M4 core. It operates on 48 MHz. It has 256 kilobytes of flash and 32 kilobytes of SRAM. RA4M1 features USB Type-C connector. It has two LEDs, two push buttons, one reset button, and on the back you'll see a J-Link onboard debugger and some header pins for interfacing external electronics. So basically we have a small, affordable and powerful starter development kit with a compact design which simplifies integration with your own product or project. It features one microbus socket which can interface over 1000 different clickboards we have in our ecosystem. Now we'll learn about featuring MCU and its capabilities from our friend from Renesas. It's a product manager, Ashish Ahuja. Hello Ashish, welcome.
Greetings Peter, it is so nice to see you. Thank you for having me.
Can you tell us more about RA4M1 MCU and what can customers do with it?
Sure. The RA4M1 microcontrollers are based on ARM Cortex-M4 core and include many sophisticated peripherals. Most notably, they have an integrated segment LCD controller and capacitive touch sensing unit that customers can use to implement applications that require HMI, such as white goods, small home appliances, HVAC systems, control panels for industrial use, and so on. Customers can also utilize features such as a memory protection unit, key management, and ADC diagnostics to add safety and security to their end applications.
What is the purpose of the second Renesas MCU on the board?
The microcontroller mounted on the top of the clicker board is the target RA4M1 device, while the one on the bottom is the Renesas Synergy S124 product. It provides onboard debugging capability through serial wire debug interface and it runs Sager J-Link firmware. Users can debug their embedded applications running on the RA4M1 clicker board without having to use a standalone debugging tool. This saves costs and adds to convenience. It is a differentiating feature that I believe is not available on clicker boards for other microcontrollers out there.
How can users develop applications for the RA4M1 microcontrollers?
Renesas provides flexible software package, also known as FSP, which is a suite of drivers and middleware for Renesas advanced microcontrollers. It includes FreeRTOS along with commonly used connectivity protocol stacks such as TCP/IP. For code development and debugging, customers can use Eclipse-based E2 Studio IDE, which works seamlessly with FSP and the onboard debugging interface. FSP and E2 Studio can be downloaded as a bundle at no cost from renesas.com. Few other toolchains are also supported.
What other RA MCU kits can customers utilize the clickboards with?
Renesas Advanced Microcontroller family consists of several series such as RA2, RA4, and RA6. The microbus connector is provided as a standard feature on many new Renesas Advanced Microcontroller kits. For example, EK-RA6M4 and EK-RA6M3 for RA6 series, EK-RA4M3 and EK-RA4M2 for RA4 series, EK-RA2L1 and EK-RA2E1 for the RA2 series. All these kits feature one microbus connector that users can utilize to expand the functionality and build proof of concepts, as you can see here. There are many clickboards, including the ones featuring Renesas color sensor ISL 29125, buck boost converter ISL 84503, Chai compliant power receiver P9025AC, and PLL clock multiplier ICS 501.
Wow, that sounds great. MikroE has more than 1,000 clickboards. We release one clickboard every day. It has been fun collaborating with you. We look forward to working more closely with your team.
Thank you again, and all the very best.
That's all for this unboxing. All information and materials such as manuals, datasheet and examples are available on the product page. You can check out our website and social media for the news and updates. Thank you for watching and stay safe.